According to the WHO, what is the definition of health? Health is the state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. And in fact, it's really important that we are able to take good care of ourselves, all right? Take good care of ourselves because when we do that, we are able to take good care of our family members, of our friends, of our colleagues, of our students. So it's important to take good care of yourselves physically, mentally, and socially. Kasi again, this pandemic now highlights that we are all connected as one community. And for us to be able um, to to be successful in finding the of recovering no, from this pandemic, we need to take good care of one another, and the best way to do that is to take good care of ourselves first. All right, first, huh? So